Snapper number 2, definitely got a line.
Welcome back to Landooper Fishing. In this episode, we're back out on Western Port and we have an awesome snapper session in the wind. Hope you enjoy this video.
Snapper number 3. Had a 65er, we're going to put him back. Right? Yep. This is snapper number 5. I'm staying in the canopy out of the wind so that hopefully the audio is a bit better. Oh. That's possible 80. The background's going to go up. Yep. Look at that. Snapper in the background. Actually got a 79 here. Oh, still there. That's alright. 79 centimetre red. We'll chuck him on the scales, but he'll be about 5 kilo, I reckon.
Oh, was that him up top? What's that?
Oh. Righto, there she is. This is gummy number 2 for the day. Right, turn around and send him. Not really, but... Welcome back to the channel. Got water on the lens, so sorry about that. Try and get it. Oh, something going on there. I'm yet to do an intro to this video because we've come out blowing a gale. It's blowing 30 knots. And we're in one little spot where it's secluded. We've just had the most amazing session ever. Started off with a big school shark. Fortunately, it got away right at the net, but it doesn't matter because we were probably letting it go anyway. But 5 snapper in. It has been unbelievable. Yeah, we're about to have another one here.
The start of this session could not have gone any better. Just 5 minutes in and we're already tight on a good fish.
This is a gummy or a schoolie. 100%. It's a good one. Be careful with the lines.
This was the first mistake.
100% teeth.
I should have told Ash to clear the lines, not just mention about we should be careful with the lines. School sharks and gummy sharks, especially the big ones, have a tendency of swimming all around the boat and can tangle the other rods easily. And here we go, the start of the downfall. It's already tangled 2 rods.
And now it's got 3. It twists in. It doesn't. It's not doing nothing. Yeah, right. Is that how all fires, but
Oh, shoot.
surely. What am I going to do here?
Straight right over.
Yeah. Let's get ready with that.
By this stage of the fight, we can actually see the fish, but we're tangled on 4 of the rods. So this is going to be a nightmare.
Just get ready. Can you get it?
And here comes the stuff up. I couldn't wind any further, and Ash just couldn't reach far enough. In the big scheme of things, it didn't really matter because we probably would have been putting that fish back anyway. With our last rod left in the water, it was a bit of a saving grace from a fairly flat moment.
Here. Snapper. Here, do you want this? No, don't. That's got a huge tangle. You're not that big.
And with water on the lens, this was the beginning of an incredible session we were about to have on the water.
There we go. We're fishing in the wind. Only spot in the bay we can fish. Just jagged nice little red, about 1.5 kilos. Absolutely lovely. Awesome. Oh, yeah, this is a snapper too. Yeah, I see that. That might be actually pretty good. Snapper number 2. He's definitely got a line. Yeah, he's better. There we go. Snapper number 2, 60 centimetres maybe. Beautiful fish. Good eating size. Swallowed the hook, so he's not going back. I've got 2 rods in the drink. Awesome. Oh yes, that's all he's on. He's on it. Too heavy. Just fighting. Snapper number 3. Does he feel heavy? I don't know if he is actually, you know. Oh yeah, I think he is. That's alright, just fight him out the side. Better fish?
Yeah.
I seen him. Did he look good?
It's not that big.
Didn't he? Just a fighter. He's not wrapped. Oh yeah. He's bigger. He's the biggest. Oh, there's something on that, but it's not. It's not this. I'd say it's a swelly by the looks of the bite. Yeah, there's something on there. Nice, Unk. Lovely. He's about a 65er. About a 65er. We're going to put him back.
Right?
Yep. Woohoo! Heavy this one, but oh, what's your own one doing? hook. Big with a bit of seaweed on it. I did a net. Ash is on a stinger. 70 centimetre on the floor. That is going to be the fattest snapper ever. That thing is thick. Look at that. There we go. Another beautiful snapper. Have a look at the girth on this thing. Lovely male snapper. He's only 70 centimetres long, but he's so thick. The wind is howling. Snapper number 4. Alright, you're up next anyway. Oh, it's gentle. Good one? Yeah. On that other body. Yeah, bring it. That big lava tool going to be an This is snapper number 5. I'm staying in the canopy out of the wind so that hopefully the audio is a bit better. This could be a really nice one. Did a nice big run. I'll pop out with the net when he's ready. Is he up really high, Ung?
Yeah. It doesn't feel like heavy now.
Yeah, right. He might have had a bit of heap of weed on it. Or he's just cruising up. He's got a bit of weight, hasn't he? Nice fish. Yeah. That's possible 80. Possible 80. Oh, yeah. There we go. Now come forward, because that's going to have one in a sec. Right in the background's going to go up. Yep. Look at that. Snapper in the background. Actually got a 79 here. Oh, he's still there. That's alright. 79 centimetre red. We'll chuck him on the scales, but he'll be about 5 kilo, I reckon.
Someone else's line in here.
Someone else's leader. Lovely. Grab that rod because I think he's still there. Hopefully.
You want him?
No, you.
Oh.
Yeah, drag too loose. Bugger. Still there? Bugger. This is incredible. I cannot believe this.
Never mind bait balls.
Yeah. That's gonna go too.
Yeah.
That's another one. That's a surfer, so he should stay on there. He doesn't know where to film. Oh, the end one, the end one! He's actually not a bad fish either. Where's that net? Pinky, where is Pinky? Pinky, where is Pinky? Oh, that's alright. Get him. You want him? Nah. Is he still biting on that one? Hopefully they're not tangled, which could be. This is ridiculous. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna sort this fish out. I don't think this one's big.
Oh, God.
Oh, yeah.
on.
Circle hook. What? How? Normally a monkey could wind in a fish on a circle hook.
Up in back.
Well, be on the floor, so. That's
Mine's been a really good one.
yeah. What? What happened there? Three-way hook up, two gone. That's okay. There we go. Only one in from a triple. Let's take this one home as well. That makes 5 in the bag. 2 got off. That doesn't matter. We'll probably put them back anyway. So, how good is that? Another beautiful fish. Maybe 3 kilo or so. That was unreal. End.
Right.
On the end. What a feel. Snapper. This one's hooked good for release, so let's send him back. Let's do the old spear again. Ready? Alright. Straight down he went. Is this fish still on here, you reckon?
Something on there?
Junior little pink. Oh, and he's gone.
See you later.
Like, it would have hurt way worse if we'd never caught one before. Jeez. We're playing with King George. They often do that. Whoa! Little guy, or is it alright?
It's alright.
drag for? Do you reckon he's just eating that because you're pulling away from him? It seemed that way.
He's a spider, but he's not strong enough to pull it.
What is he?
Oh.
How big? Oh, yeah. Now he falls on.
Oh.
No way. Alright, I'll video release you. He's about a 60. Send him up.
He's gone.
Isn't he? Yeah. Straight down. Oh no! I no video.
Oh.
Oh, that'll be on this. How the was that? Another penguin just doing nothing. He came all the way up and did nothing until the end. Yeah, that'd be wide. It's a circle. Oh, what do you reckon? We just pack up? Little 41 centimetre. That's our bag, so we're probably going to send it in.
What an incredible little session that was. We brought 6 fish home for the table, which were perfect just in time for Christmas lunch. And we managed to release a few nice fish as well. As always, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. This was an awesome one for us. We had a ball out there. As always, please like, comment and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next video.